Alright, hey guys, nhớ rằng này nó trong này nè, mình sẽ đặt các loại công cụ. Nó là của chúng ta đã trình độ của chúng mỗi đại video, số nào là đó này thế này. Nó còn đủ số rồi. Water day is very important during the during the summer because it's what keeps the chickens cool, right? So cô sao là phát cho cô cho để cô cho đây cả. Nên bỏ cô cho video nên cái video mà cũng cô cho bảo nó không lấy này ít khai free khai khó nè. Yeah, the reason why cô chỉ cho nó mà it's first of all it's very it keeps water very clean. It keeps the water from splashing everywhere instead of having cutting just out gallons and putting water in there. Lên đó mà cái trâu theo cái sọc của chị là ô cổ đâu là nhỏ là rổ số đâu cho cổ đâu hồi chị it's very dirty. But this it's just a bottle. It's on the outside. Nhớ xem nội dung nó cái mà đi thâu lúc họ cần chờ nó đâu sẽ chị mình chỉ mua kinh nghiệm bảo này thì giờ họ lại hay ít tu lâu sẽ chị có cho nó có họ để nó như hồi tại này. Just make sure that you if the sun is hitting it, just make sure that you have a piece of wood that's covering it or something to cover it so it doesn't heat up. Besides that, the reason why I use it is because it's very cheap. It's just bottled water. I found that Fiji water, if you want to call it, the bottle works best because it's rectangular. It's very easy. Just bottle, twist on, and then boom, you're all set. Fill it up. Upside down, the water doesn't drop all the way or it doesn't get waste, stays clean up here. It gets dirty, you clean this. This one's a little dirty because it's just one on the side that I have extra laying around that I haven't been using. So very simple. That's it. You pour it in, upside down, water comes out. Put it in, water's clean. This is just a method that I'm still using right now. In the future, I'm gonna be doing a full whole water system that runs through, so it keeps it cleaner, it keeps the water less waste, so the chicken doesn't waste the water. But right now, this is the method that works for me. Hopefully, if I remember, I'll put a link down in the description. You're from eBay, isn't it? I think they're chicken water feeder or something like that. It's very cheap. But I'm just gonna make a short video of this for you guys. It works out well for me. I've been using it ever since I started building these small coops for control low thế chấm nhỏ cái nó là nhỏ đấy này. It doesn't make a mess, it doesn't waste water, so hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys see this method is useful. It's very convenient, but like I said, this is just a start to making water changes and all that easier. Soon enough, I hope that I'll make a permanent system that runs all around my coop that but that's in the future, because none of these cages are permanent. I mean, when we say temporary, right, it stays, but you know. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this short video. I don't want to bore you guys out too much, just straightforward on the informations. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon.